Welcome back, gang. Four-wheeler video. So, I haven't figured much out, if I'm being honest. Here's what I'm gonna do though. Okay, I'm pulling the motor. I'm just gonna pull it. I found a gasket kit for it last night. It's like 50 bucks. So I'm gonna pull it, go through everything. I think the top end's new. Sorry, I had to clear a notification. I'm gonna look down at the piston. I'm gonna see if it's new. But I'm pulling the motor. It's 4 bolts and the chain. That's it. I'm gonna pull it. No reason not to. Just to make sure everything on it's super solid. Peace of mind. Plus, my buddy that has the LTZ, he's gonna be bringing it over here. They'll be side by side after not too long. He's coming over tomorrow. He's gonna bring his motor, and we're just gonna build them together. You know, the guy I want to ride with, even though I can't ride it myself. If we can pull them apart, figure out what both of them need, why not? So, I just wanted to start this by saying, motor's coming out. Let's get this thing done. We're back. I got the motor out. I see shiny in there. That's probably not a good thing. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this thing before it even goes inside my house because I'm gonna build it in my office. You know, I have to. It's gonna rain. I don't know if you can tell. It's supposed to rain. I'm gonna get this back together and take that inside, clean it up, take it inside. So here's the bike being put back together. All right, we're back. I know, settle down, settle down. It looks like I've already done the rebuild. I have to get a wipe away, get a little motion, you know. I haven't done anything. I just put the plastic back on. I'm gonna clean this. And then, yeah, you'll see it inside. My mics are also dying, so peace. Okay, sorry about the wind. My mic's died. I don't even know if you can actually hear it. Here's a quick little tip. I threw my can because it ran out. Oven cleaner will pull the grease right off of this. So I know you could have just been like, you know, Jackson, don't be a dumbass and just pull the carb off and tape over this. But no, it wouldn't stick. I tried it on the exhaust. But anyway, oven cleaner will pull all this grime right off. It's not perfect. Oven cleaner's like $3. But yeah, quick little tip for you guys. Just dollar store oven cleaner. And it'll look okay. I'll show you in a minute. All right, the motor's inside. I'm tearing it down. We got 1, 2, 3. The 4th bolt fell in there. So I guess it's a good thing I'm already gonna pull this off. I'm gonna take this off and then I'll show you guys. Hopefully I can find something useful information-wise. My cat is something around here. Okay, we're back. I have not good news. Finally, after fighting this for like 45 minutes, there was one bolt. All I had to do was get the right tool, but there was one bolt that I just could not get out. I'll show you that in a second, because I think that's worse than this. So there was a head gasket in it, which makes me very happy. Multi-layered steel head gasket. What doesn't make me happy is the condition of my poor head. Is that valve on the left seated all the way? I don't think that valve on the left is seated all the way. That's... Oh, please don't fall. That's not the bad part. Here's the bad part. I'm just gonna rip it off like a Band-Aid. It doesn't wiggle or anything. It was at the top, and then I did that, and it fell to the... Okay, it fell to the bottom, and now it doesn't move at all. I don't know if it needs the timing chain to move. I guess so, because it doesn't move now. I don't know. I don't really do small engines, but I do know that doesn't look good. So, where are the other bolts? I got 2 here. Don't tell me I have to crack the case open. I really don't want to do that. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'll find a different way to turn this. I'm going to clean this and that. I'll see you guys whenever I get that cleaned. All right, guys. Well, I got a hold of my technical advisor. I've cleaned up down in there a little bit. There is some pitting. It may burn a little bit of oil, but that shouldn't stop it from running. And then over here, I think the valves are fine. Oh, did I just see a bubble? Yeah, here's like an old school trick that people do to check valves, make sure nothing's bent and everything's sealing. I don't see anything. It's not pouring water out underneath. I'm gonna keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't go down at all, but my technical advisor said this. So, I think I'm gonna send it. I may, do like a ball hone or just a cylinder hone to try and clean it up. But the piston doesn't move at all. There's no play in it, nothing. So I think the rings are still good and that it was just gunked up. I mean, I don't know if that is, typical or anything, but I don't know. I don't think that would keep it from running. I'm going to do a little bit of research, clean my hands, do a little bit of research, and see if I can't find something. But as far as I can tell, unless it was just crazy out of time. Let's come over here to my desk. Don't mind it, it's a mess. I've been cataloging everything. This cam, the blue light kind of doesn't help. I swear it's brand new. It looks like somebody put a top end kit in this, or what I would assume is a top end kit. Because that, and well, the underside of this with like the little lifters looks all brand new. So I'm assuming somebody put a top end kit in it and didn't time it right. That's really all I can think. So this may be all the disassembly that I do of this. I may order a gasket kit, put it together, and pull that off, or however I need to get to the timing, time it, and go from there, see if I've got better compression. I'll let you guys know what I figure out. All right, guys, I'm actually going to close this video out, make it a little bit of a shorter video. I just set the head back on there. Speaking with my technical advisor, he loves the way my cam looks. He thinks him and I are pretty much like on the same playing field. We think that the top end got done. He put a different cam or something in it, maybe new retainers and springs, and put a new timing chain on it, and maybe didn't time it right, because everything underneath here, like had it been cleaned the way I cleaned it, I would have thought it was brand new also. So I'm going to order a gasket kit for the motor. It's like $50. I don't know when it'll be here, but I don't want to keep you guys waiting. And I also don't want another video that takes me a week to post. So I'm going to end it here. I'm not really going to mess with this a whole lot more. It's going to stay inside. And yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do about that cylinder. A lot of that in there is just buildup. So I'm thinking I can just take a cylinder hone and hone that out and send it. My advisor told me to send it. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I think that's the only other thing I'm going to do to this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments about the progression. And yeah, how it's going. I really want to know if that's a hot cam. But I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Peace.